Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set price alert in Trade Tiger or Tiger Trade Tiger Broker. It's the same app. So what you need to do is go here to the quotes. First of all, you will need to open up the app, as you already know that. Then you will want to you will select which what you want to follow and what you want to be alerted about. So if I go to ETFs, or I will stay here just for simplicity, and I will select NVIDIA here, click on that, and it will open up this page right here. Now what you can do, you will see here at the bottom, next to the buy and sell buttons, you will see alert button. So click on it. And right here, we can create alert. So click on this button, create alert. Okay. So I have some disability here. Okay. Alert. And now we can select what we want to be alerted about. So move up to, move down to, day up above, day down below, and so on. So let's go move down to, and okay. Right here we can select warning frequency, so once per day, only once, continuous alert every time when triggered, and move down to here we will select the price. So let's say I can select this one, or maybe I will go with 80. So this is then 5% down, almost 6% down. Oops. Okay, move down to, so what I selected here like that. Okay, and then I just hit create alert, and as you can see, move down to 180 once per day, I will be alerted about NVIDIA. So also you can create another alert if you want. As you can see, you can add more alerts. Also, you can add on other uh, uh, options like Apple here. So whatever you like, you can or whatever you trade, you can set alerts on it. So this is basically how you can set alerts in the app. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.